So in the question we have that a bubble rises from the bottom of a lake which is 90 meter deep. So small h is equal to 90 and capital H, that is the pressure, is equal to 10 meters of water. We need to find, on reaching the surface, what is the volume, how many times. At the bottom its volume is V1. On reaching the surface its volume becomes V2. We should find how many times V2 is greater than V1. So V2 is n times greater than V1. So we should find this n. We can use the formula H plus H is equal, capital H plus small h is equal to capital H into n. Capital H is 10, small h is 90 is equal to capital H is 10 into n. This becomes 100. 100 is equal to 10 into n. So n is equal to 10 times. So the volume of the bubble when it reaches the surface is 10 times that of volume of the bubble when it is at the bottom of the lake. So the option is 3.